Do you constantly feel like you are under the weather? Often, in low spirits. You wonder, why is it that dark clouds always follow you, and you seem destined to get wet? You feel tired and worn out, being in the harsh conditions of your outer world. In this audio guide, we will use the idea of a weather forecast to help guide you into being better prepared to handle your emotions, your thoughts, and your actions. Let us begin. Get yourself into a comfortable position. If you prefer to sit, or if you would rather lie down, it is both okay. Make yourself comfortable. If you wish to, you may gently close your eyes, as you allow me to guide you along. Now, I would like you to take a moment to tune in to how you are currently feeling. Notice your current mood. Are you feeling calm or relaxed? Or are you feeling stressed, anxious, or worried? It is also okay if you may experience some other difficult emotion. What you are feeling at this moment is like the weather. Not the physical weather, but the weather that is associated with our current state. You realize that your weather affects your mood, affects your body, and affects your actions. Try to feel how your body is associated to your current mood. Do you have stressful areas in your body? Try to identify which areas are tense. It could be your torso, or your arms. Or you have butterflies in your stomach. Even if you do not have a stressful area, you can try to feel for the relaxed areas in your body. You notice that in both good and bad weather, your body reacts differently. Aside from your mood and your body, the weather also affects our thoughts. It affects the words that you speak. And it affects your actions in your daily life. All in an interconnected manner. For some of you, the weather changes much more frequently. You may experience swings of ups and downs, prolonged periods of high and low moods. Now, instead of allowing the weather to dictate how you feel at every moment, perhaps you can practice forecasting the weather that you are about to get yourself into. You can learn to predict the state of the weather in the immediate future. To do so, you first need to learn and become familiar with all the different feelings and thoughts associated with your different weather. In other words, you become aware of how you feel, think, and react in each situation that you may face. Earlier, you already tried to notice how you feel in your current state. Now, try to feel yourself in a different state. Perhaps, when everything is going well around you. How would you feel? Would you feel calm or more relaxed if things were fine? Would you feel the tense areas in your body slowly loosen up? With practice, you learn to become familiar with the different tones arising in your body. You start to associate your reactions to the different weather. Try to take note of the words that you say differently when things get worse, or the nicer words you use when the situation improves. Observe your actions when you are in crisis. And also take note of your actions when you feel relaxed. The purpose of understanding yourself better is so that you gain the ability to pick up early signs of your moods changing. This becomes your ability to forecast your weather. The next time you are in a situation that is about to get worse, you should be able to identify your moods changing. But this time, instead of allowing the weather to dictate you, you put yourself in a better position to take informed action. Knowing your upcoming mood gives you better control of the words that you say. You think ahead and choose your words wisely, rather than reacting to your circumstances. You can be in better control to decide on your actions as well. How would you have reacted if you faced something similar in the past? And how might you do it differently this time? Learning to become aware of how you react to different weather, especially in the areas of how you feel, think, speak, and react, builds up your repertoire of control. With practice, we can become better prepared to handle ourselves in every given situation, knowing that we can predict the state of the weather in our immediate future. As we come to the end of this exercise, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment. In life, you will continue to face gloomy and cloudy days, or even thunderstorms. But as you muster reading the weather, the ability to make informed choices becomes more important than the weather itself. Thank you for your time with us. We hope you enjoyed this session. For more self-help audio guides, subscribe to this channel.